Hi everyone, I just wanted to take you through this quick setup guide for the GMB tracker. Now this is the same process if you have the GMB tracker inside of GMB Hunter, or if you have the standalone version of the GMB tracker. So within your GMB tracker folder on your desktop, you'll have a blank template called gmbtracker.csv. Now basically all we need to do is enter in our business name, the GMB business name. Make sure it's correct, because the software will find the business name. Make sure the GMB address is included. Now if you have a service area GMB, that's not a problem, because the GMB tracker will first find the business name, and then it will cross-check the telephone number within that GMB listing. So it's basically just your NAP, GMB business name, GMB address, and the GMB phone number. Now, if you have proxies, we can use the IP:/port format, and then all we need to do is enter in our keywords. Now, for the purpose of this, I've run the software with 5 keywords. Now, I've obviously removed the location, but that would be your city location. And then, as you can see, once the software has completed running, it'll tell you what page the keyword is located on, and also the position. So, with that being said, to start the GMB tracker, all you need to do is enter in your local Google search engine. In my case, it's google.co.uk. Now, if you want to include the reverse search, click on the tick box to include it. Now, the reverse search is it'll be location plus keyword. The default search is keyword in location, but the reverse search is location plus keyword. And then all we have to do is click on choose file, which will be this CSV file. Just a quick note about the naming of the CSV file. It doesn't have to be a GMB tracker. It can be your client's name, it can be your location name. But what I have been doing with this is calling it my client's name. So client 1, client 2, client 3. So once you've put in google.co.uk, if you want to include a reverse search, click on choose a file, go to your desktop, and go to your tracker and select GMB tracker, or whatever your file name is. Now, just a word on this, the file actually needs to be closed as well before you click on the run button. So make sure the file is closed. Once the process has finished, depending on the number of keywords, it's unlimited. There is no restriction, but obviously more keywords will mean the software will take longer to complete. Once it's completed, you will have a complete list of all keywords, the page numbers, and the position. Thanks guys. Any problems, any issues, or any ideas to make this a better tool, just reach out via support or Skype or the Facebook group. Thank you.